Everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can remove your Facebook profile picture without actually deleting that one. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first of all, you will just go to your Facebook app, and once your app is open, make sure you're logged in with the correct ID as well. Then it will simply tap on your profile icon on top left corner, and this interface will open up. Then you can see here in your profile, if you simply tap on that, then you just simply tap on this select profile picture. Here what you can do is you can simply go to albums as well, simply tap on profile pictures, and here you can see all of the pictures. You simply choose the one that you would want to replace your other picture with, and if you want to share your this notification in your feed, then you can let it be. Otherwise, you can simply disable this one. Simply tap on this option called save over here, and this will remove your existing profile picture with the other one, right? And if I scroll down, go to my this option called photos over here, and go to this albums option, go to profile pictures over here, and as you can see, this particular profile picture that I had previously is still over there. It's not deleted. So this is how you can simply remove your profile picture without actually deleting the previous one. And yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.